10 steps towards starting your online business in 2020. That's coming up. Hello, what's up everyone? This is Refaat Abohassan. In this channel, I share with you different ways of making money online and generating passive income. So if you're stuck financially and looking for ways to increase your income from home, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button, because I share with you here some valuable tips and information that will add value to your life and to your finance. The internet is a great way to make money online, you guys. However, many people fail to achieve success when starting an online business. And after spending 2 years in the world of online marketing, I found that there are 10 steps which are best suited to start your own online business. I divided those steps into 2 categories. The first one is self-awareness and self-development related steps. And the second one is technical related steps. These are also the steps that I took when I began my own journey into marketing a business on the internet. So for this video, guys, I will cover the self-development steps. These are the preparation and the planning steps that you should take, which is most important to reach success and follow through in your online journey. So I will cover these steps in this video, and in the next video, I will cover the technical part. So let's jump into those self-development steps. Step number 1, knowing your target audience. While not everyone, you guys, will be interested in your products and service, and certainly not everyone will need them. So knowing who needs your service, you guys, is the first step toward finding a way to make your product and service available to those people who need them and want to buy them. And then driving traffic to your website is easier if you know how to drive the right audience. You can target your audience with paid advertising and with your written and video content. This requires knowing who they are, what is their need, and what kind of article or content might appeal to them. You can get clear on these questions when you develop your marketing strategy in your business plan, and that's step 2. So step number 2 is to create a business plan. This is the most important piece of the puzzle, my friend. Every successful business have a business plan, and every unsuccessful business does not have a business plan. You need to design your own business plan and think it thoroughly. You need to have a well-developed strategy for your marketing, which is a key step in success online. For myself, I plan to have a free marketing strategy and another paid one, so that I stayed focused and my business to be more streamlined and simple. And here is an example of my own business plan so that you have a more clear idea. So you want your business plan, you guys, to have these categories or similar. The point here, you guys, is that you should be as explicit and clear as possible so that you don't drift away in the process. So in my case, I had about, how many are these? These are 13 categories that's detailing everything related to my business. And the more details you have, the clearer and focused you become. So let's go through these categories. So the first one would be the target market, which is basically your customers and your audience. And I have a question that's what's the most important to my ideal customer when they're buying what I'm selling? So what are they looking for? What's their interest, so that I can meet this interest and what they are looking for? And then what's my business model that I'm gonna follow? And what's the products or service I would sell or promote? How well I will convert leads into my sales? And where does my ideal customers hang out, or where can I market to them? Where are they located? Which platform I would find them? And what's my free marketing strategy? and what's my paid marketing strategy. So I defined what's my free marketing strategy and what's my paid one. And what's my budget for my paid ads? That could be on Facebook, YouTube, Google, and that's per month. So you define that based on how much money you're willing to spend. And what are the top 3 things that I need to achieve my goals? So define the 3 top things that will help you to achieve your goal. And then I have a question: what are the top 3 skills that I need to develop to reach my goals? And what is my business budget to launch and grow in my first year? And finally, how much money I want my business to make in the next 12 months. So these are my categories, you guys, and I'm just going to show you the strategies that I took. So for my target market or audience, these are men and women between the age of 25 and 65 who are looking for alternative source of income and want a part-time job during retirement. So I encourage you to put these strategies in bullet points, you guys. This will make it much clearer and more focused than just writing in blocks. So the most important thing to my ideal customers when they're buying what I'm selling is that they partner with high integrity people and they don't involve in shady companies. So I make sure that I provide integrity to these people and probably help them to distinguish between true and legitimate companies or parties that they want to buy from or have their service, and between those shady and scammy companies. And for my business model, it's affiliate marketing. For the products I'm selling or promoting, in my case, I'm interested in business and marketing education and services. So these are courses and services that deals with business and marketing education. And by the way, if you are interested in finding more about these business and marketing education, click the link that you will find in the description below. How will I convert leads into sales? So these are the strategies that I'm taking to convert my leads into sales. That's through sales funnels, offering low ticket products upfront and high tickets, and also through subscriptions and other offers on the back end. So where does my ideal customers hang out? Where can I find them? So these customers can be found in Facebook, in the newsfeed of Facebook and Messenger. So they're looking for business opportunities and how to make money on Facebook. So when you put your ad, you guys, you would customize it to appear in their newsfeed and probably in their messengers. Also, they would browse YouTube to find educational and personal development videos, and they would search Google on, for example, how to make money online or work from home. So these are the 3 major areas in my case where I can find my customers who are interested in making money online. So my first free marketing strategy is my YouTube channel, which I believe one of the most powerful strategy. Videos are really powerful, you guys, in terms of connecting people to the person in the video. There's emotions involved. There are much more connection to the video than, for example, to go and read from a blog. So that's my free marketing strategy. My paid marketing strategy is through Facebook ads. So my monthly budget for paid ads that can be on Facebook, YouTube, or Google is, in my case, it's $1,000. It can be different for you. It can be 600, it can be 2,000, 3,000, I don't know. You defined how much you're willing to spend per month for your paid strategy. And the 3 top things that I need to achieve my goal is to have good training and education, autoresponder and landing page builder, mindset and commitment to build my business for a minimum of 2 years. So I'm clear here that I need to be committed for at least 2 years before I consider, for example, quitting or leaving it. So what are the top 3 skills I need to develop to reach my goal? So there are top skills that you need to define, and that's critical because you can talk about zillions of skills that you should be developing, but there are major skills that will drive your business to the next level. So in my case, and I think it would be also in your case, copywriting. So copywriting via emails or via ads is a powerful skill that you need to develop, because it really can change the game for you, for your business. Ad placement on sites, and also some technical skills to navigate autoresponder and sales funnel software. So these are the 3 skills that I need to develop to reach my business goals. So my business budget to launch and grow my first year is, in my case, is $10,000. It can be, again, different for you. And I want my business in the next 12 years to make $50,000. So you can see here, I detailed everything that's related to my business, from my audience, my marketing strategies, my skills, my top priorities, and my budgets, and how much I want to make in the following year. And I will leave you guys my business plan template in the description below so that you can put your own strategies. The 3rd step, you guys, is to create goals with plan of action. So after getting clear on what you want with your business and write down your business strategy, it is time to set your goals and plan of actions. Making a plan of actions, you guys, will let you know where are you heading and how are you going to be there. Think of it as a business plan in a miniature. This step is really vital for your online business, you guys, because it makes you clear on where are you heading, focused, and make sure that you are on track. And you can do this, you guys, by breaking down your activities into days, weeks, and months ahead. Once you have completed your action plan, it would be much easier for you to achieve your goals. And here is an example of what those activities will look like. So first, we need to put our monthly goals or monthly action plans with broad goals, you guys. So in my case, I'm very interested into building my brand, and that's through providing value and solving, for example, people's problems, issues, and things they are interested in. And I'm doing that mostly through YouTube. The second broad goal is personal development, and that's through education, courses, tutorials, webinars, or reading books. And the third goal is to grow my business through driving traffic, marketing my business. And third goal is business growth. So after I define these 3 monthly action plans, then I will need to define these broad goals. So I would build my brand by providing videos through my YouTube channel, and I would have education through courses or tutorials or reading books as my personal development strategy, and I would grow my business through driving traffic and marketing my business. So you would have these detailed goals, and you would need to write how much achievement you get through the week. So for each one of those specific goals, you would need to break down the week. So you would put how much you achieved for each goal per day, and then you would put how much you achieved in that week for that specific goal, and you would do this for each one of those specific goals. And then you would put your daily goals. You will notice that your weekly and daily breakdown is ultimately leading to your monthly goals, your broad goals. So you would break down how you're going to achieve those by breaking down into weeks and then into days. So if we look at the daily action plan for providing value goal, the action that I'm doing is creating a video and a blog content. For driving traffic, I'm posting Facebook ad, and for my personal development, which is through education, I'm taking a class on marketing strategy. And for marketing my business, I'm posting in my Facebook page and sending an email broadcast, and write how much you achieved for that specific day for each of those goals. So the daily goals here is what you are doing in that specific day that can help you to build your weeks and your months. Your daily goal, you guys, is meant to keep you working consistently, even if you did not do much. It's designed to keep you on track so you get that compound effect over the coming weeks and the coming months. Remember that quote by John Maxwell: doing a little bit every day is more important than doing a lot someday. So this is the end of this first segment, you guys, of the video. the 10 steps of starting an online business in 2020. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you get notified when I release the second segment of this video, which is gonna be on the technical steps. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up because it really helped the video, and also share it with others so that they can have the same value as you did. This is Refaat Abohassan, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.